Welcome to another weekend meditation. In today's meditation, I don't want to share anything before we start, but want to straight get into the meditation that I have for you. I would appreciate if you can find a spot to just be comfortable, sit straight, try to have a straight spine. It's very important that your spine is completely erect. And start to focus on your breath. There'll be thoughts that are coming to your mind right now. Some want to stay and some want to leave. You don't have to resist anything. You don't have to embrace anything. Just be with them. Just watch them like a third person would. Start to just relax your body. Have both your feet on the ground. Your hands resting on your legs. And we'll start with a few deep breaths. When we take a deep breath, we will inhale from the nose, stop at the top, and then exhale back from the mouth. Let's start together. Inhale. Stop at the top and exhale. Let's do one more. Inhale. Stop at the top and exhale. Let's inhale. Stop at the top. Exhale. Let's do it one more time. Inhale. And exhale. Now let your breath return to its normal rhythm. Meditation has to be a very easy process. It cannot be a forced process. And for that, all you need to learn is to sit with yourself in silence with a focus on your breath. Just find joy, just find peace, just find beauty in this experience. Always try to have a smile on your face. Today we will do a deep body scan to see if there are any parts of your body that are tight or feel uncomfortable, and we'll try to let them go. We'll try to release that tension. We will try to release that sense of uncomfortable. Let's start with the top of your head. Start to scan towards the back of your neck, through your face, through your neck, your shoulders, the left shoulder, the left arm, the left forearm, the left hand, and the right shoulder, the right forearm, the right hand. Just become aware of any stress, any tension, any discomfort in any part of your body. You again don't have to resist it. You don't have to embrace it. Just be aware of it. Start to move a little lower through your upper back, your spine, your chest in the front, your rib cage, through to your abdomen, your lower back. Again, sense for any discomfort in any part of your spine. Just be with it. Now through your buttocks, where your back meets your chair, the front of your thighs, the back of your thighs. Just become aware of any tightness, of any discomfort in any part of your body. Keep going through your knees, your shin and your calves, both your ankles, and finally, the bottom of your feet. Just be present to you, to your body, to the sense of comfort or discomfort that it is giving you right now. Stay with it. Become aware of it and embrace it. Next, we will use a technique where we'll take a deep breath in, and as we do that, we will tighten every part of our body. We will contract each muscle, each part of our body during that in-breath, and then stop at the top, and then release forcefully, and then release all the muscles in our body. So we start with an inhale and start to tighten your body. Inhale. Stop at the top and exhale. And as you exhale, just release every muscle in your body. Be specifically aware to the parts where you felt any tenderness, any uncomfort. Let's do it again. Let's take a big inhale and contract all our muscles. Stop at the top. And release. We'll do one more time. Let's inhale together and contract all your body. Stop at the top. And exhale. And as you exhale, let go of every body part. Smile on your face. Just do a quick scan. Does your spine seem a bit relaxed now? Just find spots if there were any tightness. Is that feeling a little better or not? Let's stay in silence for 30 seconds, and then we can come back and close this video. Thank you. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back. Great. Thank you for spending that time with me. I hope it was of value. And we'll be back next weekend. And if you're still here, then don't forget to click on that subscribe button, because we would want our videos to reach you.